Welcome to Resanta's Experiments. Today we're making a color volcano and it's made of green.
Color volcano, and they have chose the color green. So, in this cup right here, we've got water, baking soda, Dawn dishwashing soap, and now we are adding green food coloring. So Anderson, can you stir it with the spoon?
Yes. Okay.
Real easy. Alright, stir it. Stir, stir, stir.
I have to do this.
Alright. Mama's turn. Good job. Alright, now you need to you need to scoot back. Reed, in this cup over here we have vinegar. And this is where we're going to make the volcano. Ready? Pick up the vinegar, Reed.
What?
Pick up the vinegar. Alright. Anderson, you gotta scoot back, buddy. Scoot back. Scoot back, scoot back, scoot back.
Okay, I'll pour it in there, right?
Ready? Hold on. Alright. Pour about half of it and then scoot back. Pour, 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 pour. You gotta pour half of it. There we go.
Can we?
What do you think?
Can we do it, Mama?
Do what? No, don't touch it.
Oh no, it's coming towards me. It's coming towards me. It's coming towards me. Oh no. Let's go! Come fast.
Alright, let's try it. Let's add another color and do it one more time with the rest of the vinegar. What color? Red, blue, or yellow?
Red.
Red.
I'll go catch you. It keeps going on.
Okay, Reed, you ready?
Yeah. Can I stir it this time?
I want you to pour the rest of the vinegar.
Yeah. Like all of it?
Come on. Pour it.
Oh, are you ready, Anderson? Yes.
Pour it all, real quick.
Whoa! Now it's coming red. Can I touch it now?
Does it look like lava?
No. Look, Mama, look. Ah! I'm coming! Wow.
Was that fun?
Yeah, I like it. Wow! Ow.
Alright, and that is how you make a colorful volcano.
Hey, I want to do that again and see the video. This time,
Look, say bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.